Hey guys, a nice little snowstorm going on here. Just went to the supermarket to get some stuff, but this is one of them bad snowstorms. Why? Because it's also freezing rain mixed in. So I'm gonna go on kind of main roads here, and usually main roads they're in better shape because the plows go in and a lot of traffic. But don't let this slush deceive you, because underneath it we have ice coming down. You see on the windshield. I don't know if you can see that. Also, one thing about the last Tesla update, it was a lot of weather updates, and basically when I parked the car in the supermarket, I turned on the heat. In other words, the car is shut down, but the heat is going on. So the seat warmer and the heat was going on. So I came to a nice toasty car. Now usually I would make a left on this road here and take the main road right straight to my house, but I'm gonna go this way, and soon I'm gonna go make a left into the neighborhood, and there's a steep hill, and those roads are not plowed, so they cover with a couple inches of snow and sleet, freezing rain. So I'm driving the Model 3 rear-wheel drive, but with awesome snow tires, which I always recommend if you live in a cold state. Let me just move this a little bit. If you live in a snowy state, snow tires are important, very important. So now I turned off the wiper blades. I'm going to give it a wash actually, and I'm going to give it a wash because it gets really dry. So it's good to give it like a nice wash. So now I'm going up a moderate hill, not too steep. It's always nice to have a car in front of you to go on their tracks, but either way, the Model 3 with the snow tires does extremely well. Anyway, so we're gonna go soon into the neighborhood. There's one challenging hill there, so covered with snow and ice. See how we do there. But like I always say, the key to snow driving is drive slow and carefully. Don't try to be too cute. All right. So now we're going downhill a little bit, not too much. I'm driving about 30 miles an hour or so. So now I am going to make a turn, and that's where the challenging roads are coming up. Okay, here we go. A little left turn here. So you see the neighborhood is not plowed at all. So now what you see is a mixture of ice and snow. Okay, mixtures of ice and snow. Okay, so I just got a little slip. So when you make your turns, you really have to be careful. You don't want to do like a whole ice skating. So I'm gonna make a left here. And then that's gonna be the hill. It's not big or long, but it is steep. Okay, so I'm going like 10 miles an hour. You see that? I'm literally going 14 miles an hour right now. See, and it takes it nice and smooth, no big deal. I mean, I can go faster. I will spin my wheel a little bit, but there is no point. And you see, it's all ice and snow. And the Tesla eats it up for breakfast. Breakfast for lunch. That's what it does. So here's another testimonial proof why snow tires are so important. Okay, so this is like a straight road. Let me press it a little bit, see what happens. Yeah, traction. See, it grips and then it goes. Hold on, let me show you. Actually, I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna stop the car. I'll show you right here how the I want you to see the what do you call it? The traction. Here we go. I'm going to press on it. See the traction? The yellow. See, it's gripping and it's going. Yeah, it's going. Now, you shouldn't do that. You should not do that. Okay? All right, guys, that's it.